Hi, I want to show you how to take your Tinkercad assignment and export it so that we can upload it to our 3D printer program. And so we are using Tinkercad. Before you start to export, you want to make sure that everything is looking good. And I noticed that I have like this weird little thickness change. So I want to make sure that it touches the bed all the way. So you can see that I can drop it until it touches. There. Now everything touches, and that's good. Okay. So I'm going to take this, and I want to make sure that it's under 5 centimeters. So each of these are 1 millimeter. So I have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like about 2.5 centimeters long is this pendant. So that is good. I want to export it as an STL. It's going to download. Now, I don't know who this random title that Tinkercad gives. So if you can, type in here your name. Oops. And that way when you export it, it's going to export with your name. That just helps keep everything a little more clean and organized. Cool. Now we're going to go to Dremel, and I'll back this out a little bit. Oops. Excuse me when I... Okay, we got digilab.dremel.com. All right, we're going to go to software and 3D, 3D. And we're going to scroll down until we see the 3D Print OS. We're going to go to the Dremel Print Cloud. Now, if this is your first time logging in with me, I have my email, ladfj3@gmail.com, and the password is GO, capital G, O, capital BEARS, exclamation point would be the password, Go Bears, exclamation point. All right, so now I'm going to upload. Choose a file, and you need to find what you just exported as an STL. And here is that. Okay, so now I've uploaded my file, but I have to process it so that it's ready to go to the printer. And so the first step is to hit prepare. I want to make sure that this is 3D45. That is the model printer that we use. And hit fix. You can hit close once it's done. And you'll notice that it says repaired. So this is the new file. The new file will always be at the top of your workflow. And so the next step is to go to layout. And here is where you can tell if your design looks good. I always like to ensure that it touches the bed. Okay, so if it was accidentally hovering, maybe you exported it that it was floating, clicking on bed will put it down to the print bed, and that allows it to connect and the printer to continue building up. If it's hovering, the printer will create some support structures and print from that, and those have to break off. That's just wasted plastic and time we can avoid would be great.